Namaste. Come with me to Mallikarjuna temple in a village called Shristhal at the southern tip of Goa. This beautiful temple, dedicated to Shiva as Mallikarjuna, is located in a valley surrounded by lush green hills. On Falgun Krishna Shashti, or 6 days after the festival of Holi, this temple of Kshatriyas celebrates a unique festival every alternate year. This time I reached the temple in the morning and saw the festivities through the day. Colorful umbrellas or tarangas are being taken out for a round of the village. Tarangas are back to the temple, and now look at the sword dance. Being a temple of the Kshatriyas, the warrior clan, swords are a part of the temple rituals. By 4 pm, everybody is ready to witness the main ritual, where rice is cooked on the heads of 3 men and which is then thrown on the crowd. Six Tarangas stand witness to this ritual. Three men with white turbans and holy ash on their bodies arrive. Rice is being symbolically cooked on the heads of these 3 men. This painting inside the temple shows the ritual clearly. If you like this video, do not forget to comment and do not forget to subscribe to In Details channel. Thank you.